Hi, everybody. Mike Mina here at Augusta Financial. I just wanted to talk to you about a couple things that are going on in our industry and obviously in our market that affects you guys as real estate agents and your clients. The 90-day flip rule from FHA is something that, everybody said, oh, well, now there's no more 90-day flip rule. There is still a 90-day flip rule for, I would say, 97% of all the banks out there. They do not want to allow a flip, especially if it's over 120% of the appraised value. Now, we have 3 or 4 investors that are still doing these, but they do have some rules and regulations, and I'll be sending that information to you via regular email so you can kind of see what that information is. But I don't want you guys to jump into escrow and think, oh, yeah, no problem. Still, number one, let your lender know, whether it's me or anybody else, let us know it's a 90-day flip because not all lenders are taking those 90-day flips for FHA. Same thing goes with conventional, too. I mean, obviously, there's lenders that will do it. But there's lenders that won't. If there's PMI on a conventional loan, there are lenders that will do that also, but there's lenders that won't. So we really need to just be updated and let us know where we are so we can kind of get a jump start on it. If you know that it's a 90-day flip, let us know that, number one. Let's talk about the FHA flips that are over 90 days, that are less than 90 days, and they have a greater value of 20% profit to the seller. Those are the keys right now. The lender needs to make sure that we get a property inspection. That property inspection needs to be paid for by the buyer of the property. That inspection is something that they're going to review and they're going to check the walls and they want this and they want that and they want everything. And that's going to be kind of in my email. The other thing, if there's over 50% profit on that property, so they buy the property for 200 and they sell it for 300,000 or more, they're going to require a second appraisal. Okay, that's not a big deal, but they do require 2 appraisals. Also remember that FHA appraisals are now ordered through AMCs as of the 15th of February. So we have not as much control over those, although we know the appraisers on our AMC. We know how that whole thing works. But really the key is we're going to need 2 appraisals on that. So make sure, especially if you're not going through Augusta Financial, that the lender is aware that they're probably going to need 2 appraisals. Every lender is different case by case, and they'll do things a little bit differently. Let me see if there's anything else. They're just making sure also about the rehab of the property. They're going to want to see what expenses were put into the property and have the appraiser point those out when they get to that. But what I'll be doing is I'll be reformatting this little letter, getting it off to you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, we're doing these deals. They're not our quick 2 to 3 week escrow. When it comes to these, it's going to probably take a good 45 days or 30 to 45 days to get these less than 90-day flips done. Because like I said, we have very few investors and they're backed up when it comes to these and they're, dotting I's and crossing T's. But on your regular FHA files, your standard cookie cutters, those kinds of things, we're still closing those in 2 to 3 weeks. So if you have a rush, a client's been in the property or owned the property for more than 90 days, hey, we're going to jam that thing out of here. So we're having a lot of fun here. Hope you guys are doing well. Business is starting to pick up. We're at 661-260-2970. Mike Mina, hope you guys are having a great day. Thanks so much, and I appreciate everything. Take care. Bye-bye.